In this video, I'm going to edit the squeeze page that I've just selected. I'm going to click on Edit Page. Let's just read what it says on this current template. It says, free video exposes how one newbie banked 11,000 in 2 days with no prior knowledge. Okay, so this is the headline, and then here is the text telling, let's just read it. Sign up now and get the exact same strategy that one kid used to transform his entire life. Okay, so this is where this is the call to action, I believe. Fill out the form below to get your free video sent. Name, get this now. Funnels. Okay, so here's the copyright information. You could edit that. I'm not going to edit this part here for now. I'm going to edit the headline and the other important parts of this squeeze page. So let me just go to my Word documents here, where I pasted some of the information that I want on my squeeze page. So I'm just going to select this and paste my headline. So my headline is Ultimate Checklist that will show you how to quit your day job and earn a full-time income online. Now let me just fix this up a little bit. Maybe I just have to reduce the font. There. Okay, so now the call to action. Let me see if I have a call to action. And yes, I do. So I'm just going to paste it onto here. Okay, and let me just edit this call to action a little bit. It doesn't really look that good. Claim your free checklist. Enter your name and email to get instant access to grab this checklist. Okay. So I'm going to select bold. Maybe I'm going to increase the font size a little bit. And change the color of the font. So text color, bold color. Because I've selected bold, it's become red. So let me just change the bold color here to black. Okay, and as I make these changes, I click on Save. Okay, here it says fill out the form below to get your free video sent straight to you. So let me just replace video with checklist. Okay, and I want to change the image on here. So what we have here, this looks like a tablet of some sort. So I'm just going to just click on this. And where it says image, I'm just going to click on here. These are all the images that I've uploaded. And I'm going to do a search for something more appropriate. So I type in checklist here. And this is what pops up here. And just to let you know, all these images are copyright free. So let's go ahead and choose this one here. And it says here to double click on image to upload to your image library. So I'm going to double click on that. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and add the image. Okay, so it has been added, and again I'm going to save it. And the last thing I'm going to do is to integrate my autoresponder into the squeeze page. So basically when potential subscribers enter their information and click on and get this now, and they'll be subscribed to my list. So to do that, you just go to settings and click on integrations. Okay, and then you select your autoresponder. So in my case it's get response, action, add to campaign, and then from here you would just select a list. And for now I'm going to skip this since this is just a demo. Okay, and again, I like to save. I like to save often as I'm making changes, or just even if I'm not making changes, I like to continually save just to be safe. Now let's go ahead and preview the squeeze page. Okay, so it looks good. I'm happy with it, and I'm going to move on to the next step.